And Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada wants lawmen in the city to be always on alert against terrorists and other crime groups. Estrada says he does not want a violent incident similar to that in Cagayan de Oro City to happen in Manila. More from Noel Perfecto.
Manila Mayor Joseph Erap Estrada orders the entire force of Manila's finest to prevent all possible violence that may come from terrorist groups and not to experience the bombing incident in Cagayan de Oro wherein 6 people died while more than 50 people were injured. He immediately directed Brigadier General Isagani Ganabe Jr. to place heavy security in and out of the city of Manila, particularly in crowded areas.
Tama lang yun na nag-aanda ang ating mga alagad ng batas, lalo na ang ating police department for any untoward incident. We must always be prepared. Sa Boy Scout lang hindi ba mo ito? Be prepared. Yeah, tama lang yun. Oras ang mangyari, handa sila. Yeah, we are all prepared for an untoward incident. Pati nga itong disaster risk reduction, naghahanda na rin kami. Sabi, ito para sa kabutihan at proteksyon ng ating nakakaraming mga kababayan.
General Ganabe did not waste any time and called for a command conference at the Manila Police District Headquarters together with the private sector and other government agencies. Mayor Erap also assured that security will be placed in vital installations in Manila, like the Malacanang Palace, Oil Depot in Pandacan, United States Embassy along Ross Boulevard, malls, government offices, churches, and even schools and other crowded places. Customs intelligence operatives are also placed on the alert to observe the possible entry of bomb-making materials or other deadly medicine used for violence.
Yung tinatawag na improvised explosive device na yun po naman ay readily available except pag ganun kalakas, maaari pong it is imported of nature. Kaya po ang Bureau of Customs bilang intelligence line agencies, kami po ay pinatawag upang mapigilan pa kung ano pa man yung pagpasok, kung ano pa man mga nasabing mga gamit at ng karahasan.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.